Hey guys, how's it going? How to download CapCut Pro for PC. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and type CapCut, right? Type CapCut right here. And after you type CapCut download, you're going to go ahead to the official website, right? And they will take you to the official website. Now, as you can see right here, you're going to see the official website of CapCut, so you can get to know more about their features, effects, and many more. So if you like what you see and you want to move on and start working with CapCut, go ahead and click download for free. And as you can see right here, they will download it automatically. So I'm gonna accept the file format, and then I'm gonna hit save, right? And I'm gonna start basically downloading the CapCut. So it may take a while for you, but you can just wait and do something else while you're waiting. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.